You can count on the RIDGID K-6P XL Toilet Auger for power, protection, and performance. Break through the toughest clogs manually or with its special drill-powered operation. The K-6P XL gives you 6 feet of heavy-duty tri-wrap cable to reach and clear blockages in and beyond the toilet, and its zinc-plated steel tubing resists rust and corrosion. And with interchangeable heads, you can be sure you have the right tool for the job. The K-6P Toilet Auger is ideal for use in toilets because with its vinyl cable cover protection, it will not damage the porcelain. Use it by hand or power it up with your battery-powered drill. Get through the trap and tight bends quickly and easily to locate and remove the blockage. Use the first 3 feet of cable to clear the toilet, and if needed, an extra 3 feet allows you to drive the cable to clear blockages beyond the toilet. Flush the line and let the drain flow. Then throw the K-6P XL in its included storage bag to contain any mess and keep your work area clean. Because of its high-powered performance, porcelain protection, and easy operation, the K-6P XL Toilet Auger is ideal for drain cleaning specialists, plumbing contractors, service plumbers, and homeowners. Like every tool from the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the RIDGID K-6P XL Toilet Auger is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a full lifetime warranty. The RIDGID K-6P XL Toilet Auger.